Hey everybody, Monty's back. Week 12. We're finally through everything about triangles and quadrilaterals. Now we want to make sure that we have the notation down for rigid motion. Okay, so all we have is 10, 11, and 12 left, and we're done with this module. Okay, so here we go. Rigid. This is not a rigid motion. This is changing the shape as we do it. Rigid, we've talked about in class, but we never actually did any math with it. We take this triangle and we translate with a capital T, all right? Or we reflect with a capital R, or we rotate. And rotate is a little different notation. We actually use a little arc curve, okay? So let's see what Mathia shows us. Here we go. All right, translate plane figures. Translate. Then we're going to go to reflect, where we flip, and then we rotate. Should have had my little chart here. We could have been talking about the notation. All right, step by step. Okay, click here. Now the key is pre-image, target image, all right? And depending on what this distance learning, the technology, sometimes it's going to be more difficult to see pre-image. Now on these, it's easy. You got purple to black, right? Solid to a stripe. But it's not always that easy. So just remember, tell me what you're seeing, okay? So reflect, dotted line, cool. Reflect over, rotate, obviously a spin. Dilate, okay, bigger, smaller, okay? Did it get bigger or did it get smaller, right? And the cool thing about your generation is the phone. Translate, translate. All right, step by step, okay? Translate moves in a direction parallel to the x-axis, okay? And figure out how many units it moved. Well, we can do all that, right? Okay, so we are going to translate here, okay? And it translated, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try 10. Does the transfer pre-image match the image of the target? Wow, it's right on top. Absolutely, yes. Okay, select the statement that best describes the original pre-image and the target image. So select the statement. Whoop, head's in the way. They are the same size and the same shape. Same size, same shape. I agree. Select the conclusion. Conclusion, congruent. Congruent and similar. Congruent but not similar. The figures are similar but not congruent. They're neither. They're similar because it's a 1-to-1 ratio. 1-to-1 ratio. Okay? So I'll remember to talk about that in class. Cool. Okay, let's go to a problem and try it. All right. I bet you my head's in the way. All right, so we got an image, and it looks like they're going up, up. pre-image, the original position. Okay, we're going to translate. So this will be a vertical going up. And how far did it go up? F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7. Let's try 7. Cool. And it moves it up. They're right on top of each other. We're happy. And they are the same size. They're the same shape. And they are similar and congruent. Cool. All right. Rock this joint. Okay. Cool. So we're going to be talking like this in class. We're not going to be using the book because the book really is all about drawing, and we don't have those tools with us. These look the same. Okay. So we are going to translate. Now this one, I wonder if they're going to want a negative because it's going that direction. Let's just try. Let's see what happens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to put an 8 in to see if it's true. If it says no, then we'll go -8. Okay. Yeah. To the left is negative. All right. So direction is all important. -8. Cool. And they are. And they are. And they are. Okay. Awesome. We got a little crushing symbol there. Okay. An exploding grape. Oh gosh. Okay, again, they look the same. And we're going to go horizontal. We're going to go that direction from blue to stripes. How many? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try -8 again. And we'll do a yes. And we'll do the same. And we'll do similar. Awesome. Hey, all right, more crushed grapes. Looks like we only have one more. Let's see what happens on this video. Okay. Let's see. It looks like we're going to go from purple to stripes. So we're going this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, these are all translations. Okay, this whole piece. So yes, and yes, and yes. Okay, we're going to take blue up. So up and down is vertical. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the upward position. Hey, frisbee. Flying hearts. Looks like this should be the end of translating plane figures. All right. And now we're going to go to the reflecting. Okay, see you in the next video.